Let's see. Oh my. There it is. One of the first locos in the world. In the wild. Let's go, guys. Simple packing, smaller box this time. That's good. Let's see. Okay. So we have they made the packing a bit harder. Keep it in pack. Okay. So, ooh, more leather feeling now, the box. Feels better. Okay. There we go. So we have got the papers, a manual, and there it is. Oh my, oh my, oh my. That looks amazing. Whoa. Nicely finished. Looks like all the, can't see any imperfections right now. Looks like they have everything down. Looks interesting. Okay, this out. Excellent. Oh, the beautiful bridges. Let's have a first look at those. Oh my, that is amazing. That is horology at its best. Whoa. Amazing. Well done, guys. Well done to CW. Team at CW. Well done, guys.